Hey there, it's John.Hunter coming to you this week with the update on rates for September 29th. So the Fed met last week and ended with a 23-year high on rates. They ticked up just a tad. So 30-year fixed is up to about 7.3 to 7.75. 15-year 6.875 to 7.25. FHA 7.125 to about 7.625. VA 7 to 7.5. Credit score, loan amount, loan property type, loan to value, occupancy, all of those play a role in what rate you get within each individual loan type. So that's why I give you a range, right? I'm just trying to give you an idea of where rates are headed, what they've done. So to that, this week we actually saw rates improve the last couple of days because we had some good housing numbers come out. Actually, they weren't good, but they were good for rates. And then we had PCE, which is personal consumption expenditures. It's the Fed's favorite inflationary index. And they strip out energy and food prices, and they look at a core rate. Well, that core rate of inflation dropped from 4.3 to 3.9. And that's significant for two reasons. One, that it's a pretty big percentage drop, and that's what they're looking for. They need it to continue to come down month over month, year over year. And secondly, it's the first reading we've had in the threes in 2 years. That's a pretty big deal. So next week is a really big one as well. It's September employment numbers. So employment's just been red hot all year, surprising a lot of people. And it's what the Fed is really, really watching and are afraid about. That's their whole longer or higher for longer tone that they've come out with recently has a lot to do with the employment market. So next week's employment numbers can move the market, one way or the other. I personally think they're going to come out weak, probably even weaker than expected, and then we could see improved rates. So it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when, right? It's going to be here in the fourth quarter. It's going to be in the first quarter. I just know it. I'd like it, of course, sooner than later, like everyone else. So, but I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. What do you think they're going to do? Do you think the employment numbers that on the news is just smoke and mirrors, and that it's not as strong as everybody thinks? I personally think that's true. So we shall see, right, next week. So come back, like, subscribe, be here next week, and I'll have all the numbers for you and let you know exactly where the market is week after week. John.Hunter, I'm your mortgage guy. Anything real estate finance related, whether it be purchase, refinance, or just questions, just want to know what the market's doing, or questions about credit, I can always help you out with that. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message, and I'll be there. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.